Well, hey there, YouTube. What's going on? It's your neighborhood redneck back at you again. And today, we're going to take a gander at these LED lights. Let's take a look. Alright, open this up. So, this light, or LED light here, is actually a sponsored product from Onforu LED. I'll put a link in the description to their website and also a link to an Amazon link to buy the same product. Packing materials. Kind of heavy. So what we have here is a 24 watt black light bar. You can see it on that side. So let's open it up, see what we got. They were kind enough to ship me this. I was interested in some of their products, so thanks again for sending this out. Looks like you got an installation guide, QR code, and your warranty card. Look at the lights. Whoa. Alright, this one comes with 2 units here. I think there's 48 LEDs in each unit. It's supposed to be a tempered glass, and this whole housing here is IP66, I believe, rated. Yes, so it's waterproof. It can hang up outside, anywhere like that. The plug-in and the switch, though, are not IP66 rated, so don't get those wet. They are 110 volt plug-ins, but draws 24 watts of power. This casing here is aluminum. Really nice housing. And I believe the cable length is 5 feet. That sounds about right. About 5 feet. So, this package contains 2 of them. You can get 4 packs. I'll show you some different installation options for them here in a second. Came with all the brackets you would need to mount them several different ways or together, including screws and an Allen wrench. So let's plug one of these in and see how bright they are. Once again, they're 24 watts, but they got 50,000 hours on the LEDs of use, so it's a lot of hours. You won't be burning those up anytime soon. You can use these in your studios, art galleries, just for your kids, posters, stuff like that. Once again, they're aluminum housed, so they're not going to break on you right away. Nice threaded waterproof plug-in right there where it goes in. So I think these cover about a 17 by 17 area, and I think 120 degrees field of view. So that's pretty awesome. They're pretty bright looking right into them. But, the working temperatures on this, I think, are negative 25 degrees Celsius up to 40 degrees Celsius, and I think the wavelength's like 385 to 400 nanometers. And I think that's about it. So let's put some brackets on these. So it's not so bright that it overtakes the room or is going to blind you, but yet it makes those white colors pop. Ultraviolet light. So it's perfect for the kids' room, small office spaces, lighting in your living room if you want some glow behind your couch, behind your entertainment center, anything for that matter. Outdoor use, lawn, against your house, whatever you might like, posters. So make sure you check out the link in the description and check out the website. Onforu LED. These guys make a bunch of other awesome products, including LED RGB lights for outside and other uses. So check them out. So if you're looking for more lights to fit your needs, make sure you check out the website in the description. They have a bunch more options up there on their website that you can choose from. So make sure you check that out. But overall, if you're looking for something lightweight, small, and easy to move around, this is your answer. It's not very big. Won't break the bank, so you won't have to worry about that. Make sure you check them out. Aluminum frame, plenty rugged. You'll like it. Well, so there you have it. The 24 watt, 48 individual LED black light from Onforu LED. Make sure you check out their website or link in the description. See what they can do for you. Leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about this light. Thanks for watching.